utilizing the disciplined approach of define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. Some organizations or some companies or some practitioners may call it DMAC. Just DMAC. Now it says there that 1 sigma, supposed to be 1 S here, equals to 30% yield. 2 sigma is equal to 60% yield. Yield is the amount of productivity that you have achieved. 93.33% yield equals to 3 sigma. Now in 6 sigma, it's considered as 99.9966% yield. So when we compare about, if you were to compare on the previous methodologies such as TQM, such as zero defects, 6 sigma provides a reality number which we know, which every operation allows a marginal error in terms of your operations. So it's a goal that the reality can be achieved, because it still provides a marginal error, a very, very small marginal error. So that's why most companies say, we want to achieve 6 sigma in 5 years' time. Or we want to achieve, for in incremental companies, when they embark to 6 sigma, they want to embark to 6 sigma, let's say, for next 3 years, we're going to embark into 4 sigma value. So it will show that, okay, from 4 sigma value, you can understand that they're targeting about 99 percentile in terms of their productivity and yield. So in 6 sigma, we'll talk about the average here and the standard deviation, which is the spread of the particular distribution. So the 6 sigma consists of, actually it should be narrow as what you see, where they combine all the 6 sigma on one side of the specification limit. And then as time goes by, 6 sigma used to be only called a quality tool because of the massive statistical knowledge or massive statistical tools that you'll be learning. As time goes by, 10 years ago, more and more tools such as Lean is one of them, is being embedded into the 6 sigma methodology. Some organization has embarked into innovation tools into the 6 sigma methodology, which is the define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. So as time goes by, 6 sigma will consist all of the major tools that you can think of. In this case, we talk about Lean, because Lean is one of the major tools that is being embedded into the 6 sigma DMAC methodology. And Lean is basically looking at the time from the moment the customer gives his order to the point when we collect the cash. You understand that? The first thing when you order, let's say if you want to buy a car, Proton. I love Proton. We should love Proton. A friend of mine just wanting to buy a Proton, which is Neo, hebat, interesting, very cool car. I like the aerodynamic car. So he went to the Proton, Proton, right? Proton. He went to the shop at Proton and he wanted to buy a car. Okay. And what did the guy say? What do you think what the guy said? You put in the money, you already put in the money. What is the next thing that the guy would say? The salesman would say? You have to wait 6 months. Thank you, madam. Wow, 6 months. New model came out. Can you imagine the amount of waiting time that we have to wait? What do you think happened during the 6 month time? Nothing. You must love Proton. They're basically looking at